Namaste. My name is Hugh. I'm international meditation master. Today I want to speak recipe of a happy billionaire. This interview is from Hugh Hilton with Yeti Fox. What he think about. Write down what you want this year. Okay. In the morning, think of 3 things you are grateful for. Okay. 3 mini goals for the day. 3 affirmations for the day. Look that you have fun. In the morning and in the night, repeat 3 times or 3 lines to have fun. For instance, be creative. At the end of the day, look what you have accomplished. Life is not about money, but of the relationships, to be a good person and to enjoy the journey. Yes. Do the right thing and the money will follow. I never focus on the money. I'm focused to do the right thing and to stop thinking about money. I don't think much about money. From a billionaire. Okay. If the money surpasses the level of the basic needs, all thinking about money is ego. You can't take the money with you when you die. Life is more. Meeting people, having fun, helping people, and feeling productive and having love for people you care about, that is my life. So, about our brain, to improve, trying to become better. Feed my brain with good things, and good things will follow. Thank you that I could speak about this, and bye.